What's up, guys? This is La-Nass Hall again. I'm going to show you how to manually get into your router's configuration. So what you want to do here is to click on your browser, either your Internet Explorer or your Google Chrome. I'm just use Google Chrome here, and then up at the top where the cursor is blinking, you want to type in 192.168.0.1. This will get you into your main router for your network. So you click that, then you have your username here, and then you enter your password. Then right here, it's showing you the basic setup. You have your host name here. You can enable wireless, the wireless network name. This is the name where like sometimes when you have your cell phone, you might see a different network there. You can see all the networks that's surrounding your cell phone there. You can broadcast your name, but actually you don't have to. So you can uncheck that, so that means can nobody really know where that network is except for you and whoever you help logged on to. You can change your password. You can change the power level of the transmission. You can change the channel to whatever you like, but auto is the best. Language you could change to this WPA to PS key. This key right here is the best protected nowadays because they used to have WPA by itself, but a lot of hackers got into that. The encryption algorithm is AES, which is used really worldwide now. It's more military based, but you get the idea. Pre-shared key, you shouldn't share that with anybody. Matter of fact, shouldn't share that with anybody. The wireless settings here, you can enable that. Device pin code, that's for the device encryption mode or whatever. You got your WAN settings here, which is your wide area network. DHCP is dynamic configurations. It automatically sets up the IP addresses, subnet mask, and gateway. So you really don't have to do that. It automatically do that by itself. That's what dynamic means. It automatically does it. Now static address is where you can set up your own different network or your own website or web server or whatever you want to call it. You just put your settings there. That's about it for that. Your LAN or your LAN settings is the settings of your router right here. Your router that's connected to your computer. So you'll have your regular router here, and then you have the DHCP server settings, which is the server settings that help you go onto the internet. Then your DNS is the provider's web address or whatever you call it to help you get onto the internet. DNS relay, you have to worry about that. NAT, you don't have to worry about that. You got your wireless settings here. You got a firewall here. You got an optional block pings, but you don't want to block pings because you might be trying to reach a different website there. And then you got your utilities. Yeah, that's your utilities here, and different settings there. So this has been my presentation on how to configure your router. Thank you.